In this video today, I will talk to you about some of the other symptoms that may be causing you issues besides typical acid reflux. For those guys who are joining me today, my name is Dr. Samir Islam. I am a board certified poop doctor. Yes, that is an actual job that I have. And my passion is to give you tips and tricks to help out with your gut health. If you're new to these video series, I would encourage you to subscribe, do a lot of video series on gut health, medical health, and product reviews as well. At any point in time, click on the show notes down below for any questions or concerns, or if there's a question you want me to ask, click down below. But this topic today actually came from a question that a patient asked me who said, Dr. Islam, I think I may have acid reflux, but I don't have the typical burning or regurgitation that comes with acid reflux. Are there other symptoms that maybe I could be having that are due to acid reflux that are not the typical symptoms? And yes, there are. There are 5 other symptoms I want to talk to you about today that may be due to your acid reflux. Now, the first one is either cough or asthma. Now, cough or asthma can be due to a lot of different conditions. Usually it's a lung issue or maybe even postnasal drip, but for a lot of patients actually, reflux can be a chronic cause of either chronic cough or chronic asthma. And so if you're having asthma symptoms or just a lot of coughing, you don't understand why, and you've already seen a lung doctor and you may have acid reflux and you may be having acid reflux symptoms, talk to your doctor about whether acid reflux could be a cause for some of your symptoms. The second other symptom that can be due to acid reflux is chest pain. Now, chest pain is one of those things that you should never ignore. So if you have chest pain, number one, make sure it's not your heart. Speak to your PCP and make sure you let them know that you're having chest pain. But if we've already excluded your heart, or you've seen a heart doctor, or your PCP has said that no, it's not your heart, the second most common cause is actually acid reflux. And acid reflux can present just as chest pain alone. So keep that in mind, that chest pain, if it's not due to your heart, can be due to acid reflux. The third symptom that can be due to acid reflux is actually called globus, or the sensation of something in the back of your throat or a lump in your throat. Now, a lot of people complain to me about this feeling if there's a frog in their throat or there's a lump in their throat, and that can be due to a lot of different factors, not just acid reflux alone, but acid reflux can be one component of those symptoms as well. So if you're having the sensation of a lump in your throat or something in the back of your throat, that may actually be due to the sensation called globus. The fourth symptom that can be due to acid reflux actually is ear infection. So this is not a very common cause or a common cause of acid reflux, but it is a cause that can be due to acid reflux. So if you're suffering from chronic ear infections, you have either what's called otitis media or just an ear infection that we cannot figure out what the cause is, acid reflux could be a consideration for some of those symptoms as well. And the fifth symptom that can be due to acid reflux actually are oral cavities. There are a lot of patients who have erosions or cavities even though they keep their teeth very well healthy or they have good oral hygiene. And that can actually be due to acid reflux. The acid goes up into the esophagus, goes into the mouth, and cause irritation to occur. So these are the 5 symptoms that can be due to acid reflux that may not present as typical acid reflux symptoms. If you're suffering from these symptoms, make sure you speak to your healthcare provider about whether you may be suffering from acid reflux. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Every Thursday around this time, I do a Poop Tip Thursday where I try to give you one poop bomb for the week. If there is a question that you want answered, comment down below or contact me and I'll be sure to have your question on our next Poop Tip Thursday. I'll give you a shout out as well. Hope you guys have a great day and I look forward to seeing you guys in more videos. Thanks and take care.